Hello guys, it's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and today I want to show you a move that you can use real quick as a transition, okay, to another key. So the stuff is, you understand? Let me do it one more time. Yeah, so I'm on the key of F sharp major, and remember the key of F sharp has 6 sharps as its key signature, hence this will be E sharp and not F, okay? That's in the key of F sharp major, alright? But let's assume I'm playing a song in a minor key, like in the relative minor. So that should be E flat minor, okay? So if I play the song More Power, More Love, More of You in My Life, okay, very old song, I think by Ron Kennedy. So when you have a good guy that's like a good minister that knows how to talk, you play the talk music for him or her, okay? Does anyone want to praise today? I want to make a move there. Yeah. So don't mind me, I digress, okay? Don't mind me. Anytime stuff like this just comes in, I just flow. Don't mind me, I just flow. So, but what I was trying to say is this. Let me take it slow. Have we got it? And then like this is an arpeggio. That's the E flat. You understand? E flat major arpeggio. Okay? Called the arpeggio rather. And it's just serving as a transition, that's all. I was in the key of F sharp, although we could say more properly we're in E flat minor, okay? Then from there we now transitioned to the major of it, okay? So I hope you learned something. I don't want to keep this video so long. I hope you learned something from this. So keep using this. You can take it to other keys. Like if I'm in the key of let's say E, for instance. Yeah, that's it. I'm now in C sharp. You understand? I can say I'm in a key of so right now like I started from B, okay? I was in B, but I now transitioned, okay? So this is like the 6, okay, where we're ending, okay? And that's the A flat minor. So I'm just like taking it to other keys. So right now I'm in A flat major.